Hello, so this is like the 10 millionth time I'm doing an intro to this video because I don't know why, I just keep taking forever because I'm like, okay, maybe I shouldn't format the video this way. I just don't want this video to be a complete mess. So my dad spontaneously decided to get rid of a bunch of his clothes. So I picked out a few things and I'm gonna give him a little thrift flip, or just like you do like modern trends to them and see how it goes, so then I can use them. Have been donated to me. If something doesn't turn out good, we could always donate it if it still looks decent. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys the clothing, what I feel like I'm gonna do with it. So my dad's more of a Tommy, Polo, Ralph Lauren type of person, more like business casual type of clothing. So first off, we have this shirt by Ralph Lauren. It's just this coral colored shirt, and I think what I'm gonna do, I think it's an interesting idea, but I don't know if it's gonna look good. Actually, I don't think it'll look too bad, and it's not too hard. So I'm gonna cut off the sleeves and then just, you know, make a nice seam, and it's gonna be like a sweater vest shirt, but it's gonna be just a shirt vest. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna do with it. I think it's really cute and it'll go along with the whole sweater vest trend. So that's what we're gonna do on this one. And then we have a flannel that I'm just gonna leave as it is because I tried it on and it fits very well. It's super pretty colors. It's not too oversized. It's not too long. It fits really nicely. So it's just a great like statement piece. And then we have two t-shirts, two button-up shirts. And you guys know I love my button-up shirts. These are more formal, but you know, I still like them. So first off, we have this blue one. It has like it's like blue and green stripes. So, and then it has like these really weird designs on top. For this one, I'm thinking about cropping it, just cropping it. And I really like the crop blazer trend, but this will just be a crop button down t-shirt. If it fits me well or it looks good, I'll keep that. So next up we have this black and white checkered shirt. And I think so far I'm just gonna keep it as it is, just as like a statement piece or like a little nice like basic touch to just add on to simple outfits. But if I ever do, I might crop it, but so far I just want to leave it as it is. Let's get into the little transformations now. That was my little haul, by the way. So yeah, let's get into the transformations. Either way, we don't discriminate which side is good. The right side and the left side. 1, 2, 3. So originally I had these scissors, but these are not my trustworthy scissors. These are my trustworthy scissors. They work extremely well. Also, funny thing, like last week I had a dream that I was at the store and there were all these like wide array of scissors, and because these scissors absolutely suck, I was like picking out scissors. Yeah, I just felt like sharing that. It was an interesting dream that I had. Now I'm going to do the deed, and I am going to cut this like I said, and I'm scared. Yeah, oof, sorry. I'm excited, but I also don't trust myself when it comes to like doing DIYs on clothing, but we're gonna do it. Let's do it. Sewing with Jasleen is back again. Let's get this shirt sewing. Psych! Guys, this looks very, very good. I'm proud. I'm so proud. Like, I cut it over here because it's really long. I might like sew it or cut it even shorter, like an inch or two, but yeah. Very happy with this. Thank you, Mom, for sewing because I suck and she's much faster, so. This is cute. I literally, this inspires and motivates me to do more like spicing up my clothes, thrift flip. I will definitely be doing that more. I was losing motivation for this video, hence why it's so late, but trying on these things is definitely making me very, very motivated to keep this up. Okay guys, this is the final result and I like it a lot. So that's all I have for you today. Even though all I did was cut shirts, I gave them a glow up, so I hope you enjoyed watching that. Oops. I'm very excited to make some more outfits with them, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, comment, you know the drill, do it. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Okay, bye.